Some of you may have some Boardmaker files from back in the day when we used to use the CD. Boardmaker says that we can take these files and put them into Boardmaker 7 and be able to edit them, use them, print them, all of that good stuff. Take that with a grain of salt. They said the same thing with Boardmaker Online and it worked for a while, but then some of us went through a really stressful period where some of our files weren't working. I will say the preliminary testing and usage that they've done has shown that users have been successfully able to take those old files and put them into Boardmaker 7 and do things with them. So if you're interested in giving this a try, pay attention to this video because I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So if you have these files on a flash drive, you can plug it into the computer, open it up, and drag the files to the desktop. That will then put it on the computer so then you can upload it into Boardmaker 7. You may also find that you have some of these in your drive. If you go into your drive and you do a search for .bm2, that is how a Boardmaker file is named. So this will search for all the Boardmaker files in your drive. So that could be your personal drive, any shared drives, any files that were shared with you. So you may find that you have quite a few results here. If there's one in particular that you want to try and edit for this year, you can control and click. That brings up your options. You can go down to download. You can see it is now put it on my desktop or whatever folder that you typically have your downloads go to. I can simply click on this, and if I go into my editor, it has launched a window for me to import it in. So that's really convenient, especially if you have it on your desktop. But if you save your downloads in the downloads folder or another folder on your computer, you can go here to the open button. This is on the main page of the editor. You can find the file in the folder and select open. It'll give you the same window it gave you when you clicked on it on the desktop. These settings here, honestly, I think you can leave them. If you want to play around and see if it makes a difference, you can certainly do that. But the easiest thing is just to click this green import button. And you can see it has now brought the activity into the editor. Let's say I want to add another S picture. I can go up here and I can draw a new button. Can I add my symbol? Let's say I want to make the sun. So you can see I've just updated this file. I could then, create a PDF and put it in the drive. I could print it off. I could save it. I have a bunch of options. So this shows you how to take your pre-existing Boardmaker files from back in the day and put them into the current editor to update them for this school year and this set of students.